Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will telling about One Piece fans rejoice. Season 2 is coming soon. Don't miss the epic trailer and updates. First of all, let's talk about the renewal status of the show. As of now, Paramount Plus has not officially confirmed whether Special Ops Lioness will return for a second season or not. However, there are some positive signs that indicate that the show has a good chance of getting renewed. According to reports, before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on times. Special Ops Lioness set a viewership record for Paramount Plus, becoming the most watched series premiere on the streaming site in its first 24 hours. The show also received mixed to positive reviews from critics and audiences, with many praising the performances of Zoe Saldana, Leslie de Oliveira, and Nicole Kidman, as well as the action-packed plot and the realistic portrayal of the CIA operations. Another factor that could influence the renewal of Special Ops Lioness is the possibility of expanding the show's universe and telling different stories under the Special Ops umbrella. The title of the show suggests that there could be other programs or missions that involve special operations in different scenarios and locations. This could allow the show to return as an anthology series, with each season focusing on a different case or team of agents. This would also give Taylor Sheridan more creative freedom and flexibility to explore various themes and genres within the spy thriller genre. If Special Ops Lioness does get renewed for a second season, when can we expect it to premiere? Well, that depends on several factors, such as the production schedule, the availability of the cast and crew, and the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the filming industry. However, based on the previous works of Taylor Sheridan, such as Yellowstone and Mayor of Kingstown, we can estimate that it would take at least a year or more for a new season to be ready. Therefore, we can speculate that Special Ops Lioness Season 2 could premiere sometime in late 2024 or early 2025. Now let's talk about some spoilers and details about what could happen in Special Ops Lioness Season 2. The first season ended with a major cliffhanger as Cruz de Oliveira, the rookie agent who infiltrated the terrorist network by befriending the daughter of a weapons supplier, was shot by Zoe Saldana, her handler and mentor. Zoe made this decision after Cruz disobeyed her orders and tried to save her friend from being killed by a bomb planted by Zoe. The final scene showed Cruz lying on the ground, bleeding profusely, while Zoe walked away with a conflicted expression on her face. The big question is, did Cruz survive or die? And if she survived, what will be the consequences of Zoe's betrayal? Will Cruz seek revenge or forgiveness? Will Zoe face any repercussions for her actions? How will Kayleen Kidman, Zoe's supervisor and lover, react to what happened? These are some of the questions that fans are dying to know the answers to. However, it is possible that Special Ops Lioness Season 2 will not continue with Cruz's story at all. As we mentioned earlier, the show could return as an anthology series with a new cast and plot. In that case, we may never find out what happened to Cruz and Zoe after that fateful night. However, if Special Ops Lioness Season 2 does follow up on Cruz's story, we can expect some major changes in the dynamics and relationships of the characters. Cruz may have to deal with physical and emotional trauma after being shot by someone she trusted. She may also have to face legal charges for her involvement in the terrorist network. Zoe may have to face her own guilt and remorse for shooting Cruz. She may also have to justify her actions to Kayleen and other CIA officials. Kayleen may have to choose between her loyalty to Zoe and her duty to the CIA. She may also have to deal with her own feelings for Cruz, whom she had a brief affair with. In addition to these main characters, we may also see some new faces in Special Ops Lioness Season 2. Depending on the direction of the story, we may see more members of the Lioness program or other Special Ops teams. We may also see more villains or allies from different countries or organizations. The show could also explore more locations and settings around the world, such as Europe, Asia, Africa, or South America. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and give feedback.